The next article is that India is again restarting the manufacture of penicillin G. Is an antibiotic, was perhaps the first antibiotic discovered by somebody named Alexander Fleming, I guess. And penicillin G is an active pharmaceutical ingredient used to make many other antibiotics. The thing is, uh, India in the 90s used to have about 10,000 manufacturing units of APIs. We used to be manufacturing APIs of different drugs, but what happened after that is China started flooding Indian markets with cheaper cheaper APIs, and the Indian API industry could not withstand uh, the rates, the Chinese competition, and had to shut down their manufacturing units and sell them for scrap, literally. So, penicillin G manufacturing in India stopped 30 years ago, and now it has resumed thanks to the PLI scheme, production linked incentive, where the government provides subsidy to domestic manufacturing units for incremental sales each year. That means if you increase your sales year on year, you are eligible to be provided with government's subsidy and support for your investment in uh, plant machinery, your taxes, etc. You have to show incremental sales, and for that, you have to improve upon your production and quality, etc. Also, the Indian price control order, drug prices control order (DPCO), which caps the rates of medicines in India, played a role in the shutting down of local API industries, because it used to cap the rates of the medicines, and Indian manufacturers, because of this upper limit, found that the production of APIs was not viable for them, was not economical, was not profitable for them, and in face of stiff competition from China, the thing was not sustainable for them. But now, thanks to PLI, we are again back to manufacturing penicillin G APIs. But the facts are still that about 70% of APIs, Indian 70%. India is the hub of drug manufacturing, but the thing is, 70% of the APIs are the raw material for the manufacturing of drugs, come from China. And the PLI scheme is helping, and we have to, and we'll have to streamline our efforts and policies to keep the good work in this direction.